In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a CRM, a simple tutorial. 5 minutes. We're turning Trello into a clean visual CRM you can use to track leads and clients from first contact all the way to closed deals. Start by signing up or logging into Trello. Once you're in, create a new board. This will be your central hub for managing relationships and deals in one place. Give your board a clear, purpose-driven name, like My Real Estate Pipeline or Client Management. A descriptive title helps you and your team instantly understand what lives here and keeps everything organized as your database grows. Next, create lists to represent the stages of your pipeline. Common stages are prospects, leads, active buyers, active sellers, escrow, and closed. Think of each list as a column in your process. You'll move client cards from left to right as they progress. This simple flow makes it easy to see what needs attention and what's moving forward. Now, create a card for each client. Open the card and use the description to store key details you'll reference often, things like how you met, service needs, budget or price range, timeline, and any preferences that affect next steps. Keep personally sensitive information out of Trello if it's not necessary, and stick to what your team needs to work efficiently. Inside each card, add checklists that mirror your transaction or service steps. For example, you might include tasks like initial consultation, pre-approval verified, property tour, offer submitted, inspection completed, and final walkthrough. Break complex work into smaller, actionable items so nothing slips through the cracks. Assign due dates to time-sensitive tasks such as inspection deadlines or closing dates. Trello will display these on the card, and when you mark a task complete, you'll instantly know what's done and what's next. Due dates keep you on schedule and help you prioritize. Use labels to categorize cards at a glance. Labels can indicate client type, transaction status, or priority. Color coding makes scanning your board faster, and you can rename labels to match your workflow language. To save time, build a template board for your standard buyer and seller processes. Include your preferred lists, checklists, and labels. When a new transaction starts, copy the template so every client benefits from the same proven process without rebuilding it each time. When a transaction is fully closed, archive the card. This keeps your active board tidy while preserving the history in case you need to reference it later. That's your Trello CRM. Simple, visual, and effective. Customize the names to match your business, review due dates regularly, and keep your pipeline moving. Thanks for watching.